let's make some super cute pumpkin magnets out of these wood biscuits. Yay! Friends, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, I appreciate you being back. All right, so we're going to start with these wood biscuits. I got them at Home Depot. I'm sure you can get them almost anywhere, even Walmart, I bet. And we're going to do 3 of each color. So we're going to paint 3 orange, and this is a chalk paint. And I'm going to do 3 green, and I'm going to do 3 off-white. The colors were pumpkin, Spanish moss, and sheepskin. Next, we're going to use this cute little blending pad, and I'm going to put some ink on it, and we're going to distress each of them. So we're just going to go around the edge. Again, you could skip this part if you don't like the distressing thing. Blah. I love it though. And I'm going to do each of them. Again, I painted 3 each and every side. Let them dry, then we're distressing. Easy peasy. And I got the distressing pad and all of that at Michael's in the Tim Holtz section. It's awesome. They come with extra pads. It's so cool. All right, now we're going to put it together. So we have some glue, and we're going to put 2 of our little biscuits on the table, and then we're going to put 1 on top. So we're going to glue, and then we're going to put that biscuit on top. See how I kind of have them angled a little bit, and then we're going to add just a little bit of glue on each of the end of, or the sides of one, and then we're going to put the one on top. How much fun. Do you see them? Oh, look at how cute. They look like little gourds, and I am there for it. Adorable. I could do all different colors. Oh, I could have done one of those pretty teal blue ones. That would have been cool. Then I'm going to take the greenery off of this Dollar Tree floral pick I had gotten, and I have a little piece of thicker jute, and I'm going to glue it to the inside of that leaf that we cut earlier. Ta-da! Then we're going to put some glue inside the space between those 2 biscuits on the back. And we're going to take our leaf thing that we glued, and I'm going to put that right in the center there. Easy peasy. Ta-da! Now, yes, I know the leaf is super tall, but that's okay because look, we're going to add a little bit of glue on the back, and we're going to just fold it over. And it's going to look awesome. So that way, it's going to look cool on the front. But if you happen to turn your magnet over, it'll look good on the back too. Yes! I have some Dollar Tree magnets, and I'm just going to add some glue on the back of that. And then we're going to add that to our cute little pumpkin. How fun, right? I don't know about you, but I see pumpkins everywhere. I love pumpkins. Love them. Love gourds. I love fall. I don't like the weather, but I love the vibe. I love the vibe for sure. So there's that. And I did this with each color. I mean, you could do as many as you want, but look at how cute. Now you could just leave it at that, but I can't. I have these grapevine, those grapevines where every once in a while in the wreath, you'll see a little curlicue. I just popped a couple of them off, and I added a little glue on the end, and then I shoved it in next to our jute stem. And are you kidding me? Stop it. Look at how cute these are. Oh, your refrigerator's going to look amazing. I'm just saying. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.